In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to Circle. So, we'll walk through this step-by-step process so you can efficiently manage your payments on the Circle platform. Let's get started. First, you're going to want to log into your Circle.so admin account, head over to the Circle website and sign in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, look for your profile photo, usually located on the top right corner of your dashboard. Click on it and then navigate to Settings. From there, you'll want to find and click on Payments. This will be your hub for all payment-related settings and options. Now that we're in the Payments section, scroll down until you see Stripe. This is where you'll connect your Stripe account. You'll notice a button that says Connect Stripe. Go ahead and click on this button. This will redirect you to Stripe's login page, where you can either log in with your existing account details, or if you don't have an account yet, quickly create a new one. It's important to ensure that your Stripe account is set up properly, as this is where you'll handle transactions and payouts. Once you've logged into your Stripe account, you'll see an option to authorize access or connect to Circle. So, this step is essential as it allows Stripe and Circle to share necessary information to process payments seamlessly. Click on this option to authorize the connection. After doing this, you'll be redirected back to your Circle.so dashboard, and under the Payments section, you should now see that Stripe has been successfully linked, and it will display as connected. For those of you looking to maximize your use of Stripe on Circle, there's an additional step you might find useful: creating paid plans or products. Begin by heading over to the Payments section on your Circle.so account, then click on Plans. Here, you'll see an option to create plan. Click it, and a form will open that lets you input the details of your plan. Enter the name, price, and decide on the access level, which determines what members can see or do. Once you're satisfied with the details, hit Save. This feature is great for setting up subscriptions or one-time payment options for your community members. Now, let's do a quick recap. You started by logging into Circle. Navigating through your profile photo to Settings, then to Payments, and from there, you scrolled to find Stripe and clicked Connect. After logging into Stripe and authorizing the connection, you successfully linked the two platforms. And finally, as an optional step, you learned how to create paid plans or products to leverage your newly connected payment gateway. And that's it! You've connected Stripe to Circle, and you're all set to manage payments effectively. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.